we're going to take a look at how we can modify a corridor design visually on the screen. In this example I have a roundabout design, but I have one area of the roundabout that is not yet complete. I'm going to select the area that I'm interested in and isolate it from the corridor design. I can then select that corridor. Normally we would have to go into the corridor properties and edit it in this tabular layout. This is quite difficult, but with something like a roundabout, which is very complex, it can be very confusing. We can now edit this interactively on the screen. I can select the corridor model and then split this corridor region by picking the split region icon from the ribbon. I need to split this particular part of the corridor so that we can have different targets for each section of the corridor. I select the tangent points of the various alignments as we go around the roundabout. For the approach roads, I need to be able to target the approach road alignments. Once we have split the corridor region, we can then set the targets for each region. For the first region on this approach road, the target is already set correctly. It actually targets the approach road centerline. For the next region though, we need to target the roundabout. So I can add a new width target and then add the appropriate profile for that target. Notice the region now targets the correct line. We move through each region in turn, selecting the target alignment and profile. This is much easier than trying to edit this from within the corridor properties. We can see visually on the screen which region we are editing and select the targets appropriately. For the final region, we simply need to target the approach road centerline again. Even something as complex as a roundabout design can be achieved very easily with the new corridor editing tools. We now have each region correctly targeting the relevant alignments. We can show all the corridor regions again and then view the completed roundabout design. Being able to edit the corridor in this interactive way will potentially save you a lot of time, particularly with complex designs.